Cousins, and this is part 2 of my new house. So this is what the house looks like so far. I finished building it. I think it turned out so good. So now we're getting into the inside of the house. Now as you can probably tell, I did the living room. Sorry, I'll just chill inside, and the stairs, don't mind that, I'll cover that up with a wall or something, I don't know. The cars. So here's the living room. It's a cute little living room. I have a little desk that I turned around. That, couches, and then this will be the dining table area. And the kitchen I've also already started a little bit. We have the stairs up here. And stairs up here. Chanel, can you close the door, please? Chanel, yeah. Can you close that door, please? Okay. Okay. So I'm still in the kitchen. So I did the fridge and the oven right there. It's not biggest room for the kitchen. I do have photos of the kitchen that I really wanted to do, but it's just ain't gonna work. It's just I feel like this house outline, I feel like it was just too small, and if she was doing the build and the decorate of the house, I would have copied the decoration and stuff like that, because I would have known where to put everything and stuff like that. So it would have been the same size and everything. But because I don't really, it's kind of harder. So yeah. So paint. I do have a little section. Lighting paint. Oh my goodness. P-A-I-N-T. Paint. Alright, the only one I need is how big is it? Oh yeah, this is perfect. And then they also have I'm trying to copy this as good as possible. That's not gonna happen because I need that area. I can just put one right. Yeah, that's not gonna happen. But that one will definitely happen. So and then just feel there's so little space, and then that balcony on the if you can see at the top, I don't know if maybe that's not where I put my room. What do I do with it? So maybe I can put another room there. Yeah, and I want the living room to have a high ceiling, and that's where the balcony is. So because I wanted the living room to have a high ceiling, so I can do a balcony. Balcony from upstairs, but I don't really think it's gonna happen, cause I just realized now the balcony is here. Things, and things. There's just not enough. I feel like they've made this a tiny house. They didn't really put much. I put so much effort just to build this thing. And now it's telling me I put so much effort in this thing. I put so much effort in this thing. I put so much effort in this thing. La 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 la. Okay, sorry. Okay. Oh, shh. Okay. Okay, okay, that, perfect. So now, literally, all I'm just gonna put is just greenery, kind of. Greenery. probably like a picture, probably like, I don't know. Like they've just put in greenery, 2 greeneries. They put in a candle. What? Okay, I have no clue what candle she got, but I got a candle. Let me have a double look at the photo. What candle? Yeah, she has this candle, but she colored the plate in the candle, and like she colored everything the same color. Okay, yeah. I'm fine with that. Okay. So I need to do the cheaper things. No, I don't need to have 7,000. Don't you tell me I have to go cheap, because if you tell me I have to go cheap, that ain't happening. Just to let you know. You tell me I have to go cheap. It ain't gonna happen. What the hell do I put there? Okay, we're doing a changeover. This will go here. And this, sorry about that. And this will go somewhere. And this can go right here. Perfect. Perfect. Yes. I am cultured by the soul. Okay, so definitely want to make this a blue marble. I don't know, I've been into blue. Blue's been my favorite color. So get the normal marble and make it, okay fine. For the sake of this stupid house, make it white, even though I might want to make it blue. No, blue, no, blue will make it way better. Okay, blue is way better, because dun 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 na 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 na. Haters back up, haters, 'cause your girl is alive. You know what that means. Girl is alive. Okay. That was just so like last season. You can't blame anyone for anything, can you? Okay, I'm gonna stop now. This is the sink I really like, but it doesn't fit. La 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 la. Let me give you a trick. So, see how like you have like dishes on the thing? Yeah. So what you have to do that, you get the dish rack, if I can find it. Where's the dish rack? I feel like oh yeah, the dish rack. Okay, you put it down. Then you go into plumbing and you get this sink, the $150 sink, kitchen sink, and you put it like that. So now it looks like the dish rack is on it. And if you want it like that, yeah, see how it would not work? So you need like the dish rack first. So try to place it in the right place so it looks a little normal. You get what I mean? Like it came like that. I don't know what else to add. Like a coffee machine or something? Oh, this is what you do. Decorate. Come to storage. Get a shelf. You get this. Oh, no. Yeah, get this shelf. Put it up here. Then come into appliances. I know all my things. get a microwave and literally pop it on that shelf. Not even joking, just pop it on that shelf. Try to do it. Oh, it works. Okay. I'll get a toaster. Thank you. I'll just waste my money on a stupid toaster. 76,000. It's fine. What else do I need? What do you need? This? I don't know what you can make milkshakes. I don't really make milkshakes, so it's like a day thing. Wait, why don't ask. Just don't ask. I don't know. Okay. Now let's add the dining table. Upstairs will be a part 2, definitely part 3. I mean, 100%. Upstairs will be like one whole thing, but I'll definitely be adding the the flooring. 100%. I'll add the flooring on camera. Dun, 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 dun. I keep making it look like the wrong way. Okay. Perfect. Alright, quick, cheers. 2 minutes of filming. No, 3 minutes of filming. Okay, cheers. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Decorations. Where do I have it? Where? I missed it. Oh, where is it? Wouldn't be expensive. Where is it? What? Where'd it go? Are you kidding me? Now I can't find it. Okay, I give up. Wait. We need some greenery. Ah, that's too much. That's okay. La 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 la. La la la. Okay, I love it. This is upstairs. I told you there's a little balcony thing. Okay. You know what? I think that's it for today. I think I'll just do the floor and that's it. Yeah, we don't need like a full-on thing, do we? Now I'm not sure what to add here. So I'll probably add like a piano. Oh yes, piano instruments. Piano, la 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 la. Piano. I'll make it a white piano. So out of breath. Okay. Whew. Oh my goodness. Oh, good. Oh. That's an ugly color. What color? Oh, this one.